And because the tape looks like a dark blue, this is a 2002 United Artists film. And it was printed on January 29th, 2004. And go ahead to done this thing. Following previous tabs will move on.
MGM means great movies.
Good night, honey.
That's them all.
Fussy, fussy, fussy.
The martini shaken but stirred.
Somebody do that noise! You are a beautiful man.
This is a bloody great wedding, you know.
Snap out of it! Good man, look!
MGM means great movies.
Following previous Now Van 1, video cassette. The following previous tabs are for volunteers by the Motion Picture Association of America.
In 1 week, Paul and Karen are getting married.
Make me yours.
But first, they'll have to survive the in-laws. You're nervous?
Not really.
The rehearsals.
I am your lady. We're flying, Paul. Can you feel it?
We got Tiki Girl!
And the guy thing.
Bachelor party! Wow, you really suck at this.
Yeah, it's my first day. Could you buy me a beer?
Yeah.
Which is about to change everything.
Hi, sweetie. I'll be right over.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, good morning to you too.
How's the bachelor party?
The funny thing is, we didn't sleep together.
We didn't?
I mean, we slept together, but we didn't sleep together. I can't find my underwear.
Can I mail them to you?
Yes, please mail them to me. They're my only pair.
Sunday I'm gonna watch Bond and Fantasy Free.
Wedding planner.
Lizzie
You
Martin.
met my cousin Becky.
Hi, Becky.
You look so familiar.
I get that all the time.
You?
I'm in over my head. What's up?
I got a visit from my lunatic ex-fiance. He's got a steroid rage problem.
You messed with my girl, Cupcake. She's gonna call off the wedding. Her dad's gonna fire me. Shut up! He'll probably even shoot me. Bullseye!
Take a chance.
She's not trying to ruin his life. She's just trying to show him how to live it.
We should run.
It just takes some time.
Jason Lee, Julia Stiles, Selma Blair, in a comedy about good intentions
We're men. We're hunters. It's a guy thing.
and awkward situations.
If there is anyone here today who believes that these two should not be joined, let him speak now or forever hold his peace. Or her peace, you know.
A guy thing.
If anybody at all. Come on!
The following previous sounds were furnished by the Motion Picture Association America.
Your freedom came at too high a price.
The mission was compromised. The same person who set me up then has just set me up again. So I'm going after him. Got your attention.
Tell me what you know of James Bond.
He would like the fuse on any explosive situation.
Show me the dance. Don't blow it all at once.
What happened to you, Bond?
And be a danger to himself and others.
I'm going to let him mix things up a little. My friends call me Jinx.
My friends call me James Bond.
What? Now there's a mouthful.
Who sent you?
Your mama.
Glad you could make it, Mr. Bond.
I see you don't chase dreams, you live them.
One of the virtues of never sleeping. I have to live my dreams.
Time to draw the line.
But it seems you've become used to it again.
Watching is crime
Began with my job. So, this is where they keep the old legs, eh?
Preserve, voila! No, you're cleverer than you look. Better than looking cleverer than you are.
James, be careful.
A nice palace can be such a treacherous place.
I take it Mr. Bond's been explaining his Big Bang theory.
Yeah, I think I got the thrust of it.
Must you touch everything?
Would you like to show me more?
Sure. Now! 1,000 pieces and closing.
Put you back into that. Let's get down to business.
Looks like we're going down together.
Not yet!
Yeah. Following previous sounds were furnished by the Motion Picture Association America.
You are cordially invited to return to a time.
Are you at home? Yes. To anybody? Yes. To the tax gatherer? No.
When greed
Yeah.
was good.
It was your brother's dying wish that you might do something for his children.
Our father, your brother, had a noble heart.
Which beats no more. Evil
What do you think you're doing, eh?
was not pretty. Capturing Wayne with boys is something of a speciality.
Take it, be thankful.
And survival was an adventure.
This is my faithful friend and fellow traveler.
His face practically erupts with drama.
From Charles Dickens' thrilling classic.
My name is Nicholas Nickleby.
I am his uncle, and even I can see that he is no good.
I would lay down my life to help him.
Have you ever had the sensation of looking at someone for the first time, and ever so quickly the past and future seem to fuse?
From Douglas McGrath, the writer and director of Emma, Jamie Bell, Jim Broadbent, Tom Courtney, Alan Cumming, Dame Edna Everett, Edward Fox, Romola Garai, Anne Hathaway, Charlie Hunnam, Nathan Lane, Christopher Plummer, Timothy Spall, Juliet Stevenson.
Reading in the extreme.
United Artists presents Nicholas Nickleby.
It is the very definition of goodness.
A story of utter cruelty.
I shall put his ruin ahead of my own business.
True love.
Every good thing has been a trick until you.
Shocking treachery.
I will strike him until he can be struck no more.
Your curse has no power over me.
And sheer delight.
How are you to get up the sympathies of the audience if there isn't a little man contending against a bigger one?
Nicholas Nickleby.
It's a family drama.
Those are always popular.
Tremendous, positively tremendous.
There's still some party church version. Format your TV.